こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 105 and we're going to learn about について The meaning is about something, about this noun, 名詞 So we usually put 名詞 and after について about something. So before についてthis part must be the noun. But actually, you can use also the verb. But in this case, the verb must nominalize. So then you can use the verb too here. But today we're going to see only just the nouns. You'll see it's going to be very useful to use this expression. について. Please tell me about your country. In this case, your country.This is going to be the noun. So, 国, country. あなたの国について It means about your country. Please tell me. The verb 話します This is to tell or to speak. And this is 話します the group 1. And you must change to the te form and with ください。話します and te form 話して。So 話してください。Please tell me or please speak to me. あなたの国について話してください。あなたの国について話してください。I'm gonna explain you about my country's history. At first, the vocabulary. History, we said 歴史、歴史、history. And the verb 説明します。To explain. Well, 説明 This is explanation. This is the noun. But 説明します Then this is gonna be the verb to explain. This is the group 3. 私の国の歴史について説明します。私の国の歴史について説明します。Police is investigating about the case. Vocabulary 警察 It means the police, but not the person. 警察 is whole police. 警察 Because when we talk about police officer, policeman, then we say 警察官 with this 官 警察官 So police on the police is 警察。警察官 police officer, policeman. Case, incident, event. We say 事件、事件。The verb to investigate, we say 調べます、調べます。And this is group 2, so very easy one. We don't change anything about 調べ。So the dictionary form 調べる。And te form 調べて。他 form 調べた。ない form 調べない。But this 調べます not only the meaning is to investigate. There are many other meanings. We can also use this 調べます to check or to look over or to search, to research. In this kind of all of them 調べます。警察は事件について事件について調べています。警察は事件について調べています。My little sister or my younger sister is studying about economics. Little sister, younger sister, 妹、妹。And economy, economics, 経済、経済。And the verb to study 勉強します。勉強 This is the noun study and 勉強します the compound and this is going to be the verb to study and this is group 3勉強します。妹は経済について勉強しています。妹は経済について勉強しています。I don't talk about the past. You might think this sentence is quite difficult, but I'm going to explain you little by little. so that you think it's gonna be easy. The first vocabulary, the past, 過去, 過去. And now we're gonna see the present and the future. Present, 現在, 現在. In the future, 未来, 未来. And here we are gonna use 過去. Now in this case, I wanna talk nothing. Then we say 何も. It means nothing. 何も. And the important thing is the last verb must be in the negative. So 何も negative. This means nothing. And if we say 誰も and negative, it means no one. And どこへも negative, it means nowhere. Here we must say I don't want to talk. But at first we're gonna think I wanna talk. Okay? The verb 話します to talk. And we must change this must. Only we must take it off. And 話. This is the root. 話. And we add たいです。話したいです。It means I wanna talk. I wanna speak. 話したいです。Look at this. たいです。Here. Before this, い. This is い. So we must conjugate just as いい adjective. Okay? So this means I want to, the verb. So this is very different from English and Japanese. In Japanese, we think just like in adjective, いい adjective. So it means I want to speak. I want to speak. 話したいです。I don't want to speak. Then instead of たい、たくない。話したくないです。I don't want to speak. I wanted to speak. I wanted to speak. The past tense, instead of たくない、たかった。たかったです。話したかったです。I wanted to speak. And I didn't want to speak. 話したくなかったです。So just the same way, the same conjugation way as いい adjective. If you want to practice more about this kind of structure, I already made a video in my video grammar video number 57 or in my adjective video number 17. Then I explained there very in detail about this. So you can watch it. Do you know how to find my certain video? Well, you must go to my playlist in my channel, and then I made some files. For example, grammar and JLPT5 grammar, or vocabulary, or also adjective, all about adjectives or numbers or kanjis. So you can go to my playlist, then you can find my video easier. 過去について何も話したくないです。過去について何も話したくないです。What are you talking about? And we're going to use this 何. It means what. 何について It means about what. 何について話していますか？何について話していますか？ What are you thinking about? The verb to think or to think over or to consider. In this way, to think. This means 考えます。考えます。何について考えていますか？何について考えていますか？ There's a useful expression that I want you to know it. どう思いますか？ What do you think? どう思いますか？ And literally, どう in what way? どう思いますか？ Here you see this kind of 心 the heart, the feeling. 思います It's like to think, but feeling. どう思いますか？ How do you feel? but it's much easier. どう思いますか? This is, you say, what do you think? The same expression in the casual way, we can say, どう思う? どう思う? So if you write it, you must write this question mark because this どう思う? どう思う? What do you think? What do you think about this? This, we say, これ, this. それ, that. あれ, that too also. どれ, which. But in this case, what do you think about this? What do you think about it? これについてどう思いますか? これについてどう思いますか? これについてどう思う? What do you think about the future? 未来についてどう思いますか? 未来についてどう思いますか? 未来についてどう思う? What do you think about environmental problems? Here the vocabulary is a little bit difficult. 環境 environment 環境 problems, we say 問題 problems, but there's other meaning. For example, some questions in the textbook, and this is also 問題, but here we're going to use 問題 as problems. So environmental problems, we say 環境問題についてどう思いますか? 環境問題についてどう思いますか? In my grammar video number 103, we learned 普通形と思います to say our opinions. And now we are going to use this one. I think it's an important problem. 大切な問題だと思います。大切な問題だと思います。What do you think about discrimination problems? The word discrimination, we say 差別問題についてどう思いますか? 差別問題についてどう思いますか? I think it's a difficult problem. 難しい問題だと思います。難しい問題だと思います。What do you think about Japanese trains? The trains, we say 電車。And Japanese train, we say 日本の電車。日本の電車についてどう思いますか? 日本の電車についてどう思いますか? I think it's speedy and useful or practical. 速い This is E adjective and it means speedy. As this is E adjective, when I want to say two adjectives together, then this one, instead of 速い, you must change to 速くて. And this one, 便利. This is な adjective. な adjective. And 便利, it means useful, practical. So very comfortable. 速くて便利だ。便利だと思います。速くて便利だと思います。So useful expression, what do you think about something? Something についてどう思いますか? Something についてどう思う? What do you think about it? Now a quiz time. This time 3 questions and these 3 are dictation. It means I want to tell you very slowly in Japanese. So I want you to write down with hiragana, katakana, and kanji if you can. Then after you write down these 3 sentences, I want you to answer them because these are at the same time questions. I want you to tell me about your opinions. 1番目、日本のアニメについて どう思いますか？日本のアニメについて、日本のアニメについてどう思いますか？どう思いますか？日本のアニメについてどう思いますか？日本のアニメについてどう思いますか？ 2 番目、あなたのお母さんについて話してください。あなたのお母さんについて、あなたのお母さんについて話してください。話してください。あなたのお母さんについて話してください。あなたのお母さんについて話してください。3番目、最後です。頑張りましょう。最後ですよ。あなたの国の有名な料理について説明してください。あなたの国のあなたの国の有名な料理有名な料理について、あなたの国の有名な料理について説明してください。説明してください。説明してください。あなたの国の有名な料理について説明してください。あなたの国の有名な料理について説明してください。I hope you could understand very well about について。Right? If you liked this video or if you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue studying with me Japanese. And if it's possible, I want you to help me by sharing my videos with your friends. That is a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日はについてという表現を勉強しました。この表現が上手に使えるようになれば、あなたの会話がぐーんとレベルアップしますよ。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、そしてチャンネル登録もお願いします。私からお願いがあります。それは私のビデオまたは私のチャンネルをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいんです。これからもますます頑張っていきたいと思っていますから、ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのを楽しみにしています。じゃあね。